Welcome back to Byte Sized Future, where we help you upgrade your life with smart tech, one bite-sized tool at a time. Today, we're tackling a problem we've all faced: procrastination. You know the feeling, staring at a task, knowing you should start, but somehow ending up on YouTube or scrolling your phone. The good news? AI can actually help you beat procrastination. Let's break it down. First, procrastination often comes from overwhelm. We don't start because we don't know where to start. This is where Notion AI helps. You can brain dump everything in your head: projects, ideas, tasks, and ask Notion AI to organize it into categories or step-by-step checklists. It gives structure to chaos, making your to-do list feel doable. Then comes Motion AI, a calendar and task manager that literally forces procrastination out of your schedule. You just add your tasks, and Motion figures out the best time to do each one, based on your energy levels and priorities. No more guessing or rescheduling. Your day becomes a flow. For people who struggle with getting started, AI timers like Focus Bear or Serene AI are perfect. They combine Pomodoro-style focus sessions with built-in reminders and breaks. The AI learns when you're most productive and helps you lock in during those hours. You don't have to push through, just press start and follow the rhythm. Sometimes we procrastinate because we don't feel like it. This is where AI mindset coaches like Mindzera or Replica come in. They use conversation and cognitive prompts to help you unpack why you're stuck. Is it fear of failure? Boredom? Perfectionism? The AI doesn't judge. It just helps you figure it out and move forward with clarity. Music can also help break the procrastination loop. AI-powered music apps like Endel and Brain.fm use neuroscience and personal data to generate background sounds that help you enter a flow state. It's like a soundtrack that matches your brain waves. Turn it on, and your mind stops wandering. And for those moments when distractions win, Rescue Time AI or Freedom AI can track your activity and gently block apps or websites that waste time. It's not about guilt, it's about awareness. These AI apps create reports and offer suggestions to help you regain control 1 hour at a time. AI even helps with decision fatigue. Tools like ChatGPT, yes, the free version, can help you brainstorm, draft outlines, write emails, or summarize research. When a task feels too big, ask ChatGPT to give you a head start. Once momentum kicks in, procrastination fades. So here's the truth. Beating procrastination doesn't mean becoming a robot. It means giving your brain some help. AI tools don't replace your effort. They reduce the friction that stops you from starting. Whether it's scheduling, mindset, or motivation, there's an AI tool out there that fits your style. Thanks for watching Byte Sized Future. If this video helped you, hit subscribe and help us reach 50,000 subscribers. We're building a digital community of people who want to work smarter, not harder, and that includes kicking procrastination to the curb with a little AI backup.